Welcome back to DALEDOESFITNESS. The first thing I need you guys to do is like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any video content I upload. Also, click on the bell button to subscribe, and let's hit that 1,000 subscriber goal. Please, everybody, we need to put an end to the young people that's just starting out in the gym. Stop encouraging them with the steroids and all that, because I went for a walk today around my neighborhood and heard a couple of teenage kids that's about 18, 19 talking about hopping on gear for the first time, and they only been in the gym for 3 months. That is just wrong right there. Only 3 months in the gym and you're already thinking about jumping on gear. That is just mind-blowing wrong, because you haven't even put your dues into the gym yet. You haven't even built your foundations yet that lets you build the muscles you need to build. Max out your natural potential first before you even consider taking steroids or HRT. You're 18 to 19, you're not maxed out your genetic potential. You're not going to max that out until at least age of 25 to 30, at least. It's going to take a long time before you completely max out that your natural limits. So please, everybody that's thinking that you need the juice at a younger age that's joining the gym, do not take it. Remember, I am not a doctor, so do not break the laws in your country. Only follow the laws in your country, and only do what your doctor tells you to do and prescribes you only. So please, everybody, reconsider what you're thinking of doing, because it's not healthy. It has horrible side effects. It can give you anxiety, depression, heart attacks, strokes, blood clots. It can even give you cancer and all that stuff at very high dosaging. You could, because of it being coming from a black market, it could be tainted. You may need half your muscle cut out, or your arm or leg amputated off because of that. So please reconsider what you guys are thinking before you guys do it. Take natural supplements like creatine, beta-alanine, a good pre-workout, a protein powder, glutamine, EAs, BCAs. Those kind of things will help you after natural. Even if you enhance those, it will help, but this is for naturals. Take these natural supplements here that is legal and that will keep your natural status, and you will make gains off of that. So please, everybody, reconsider everything. Live a healthy life. Live a long life. Live a long, healthy, happy life overall. And remember, God's always there with you. So if you're ever tempted to do something like that, think about it. What would God want me to do? Would God want me to take these type of substances and risk death and everything? No, He wouldn't. So stay natural. With that all said and done, I love you guys so much. Let's hit that 1,000 subscriber goal, and God bless you all until next time. Bye.